Hey you guys, so I am at Aldi's, and if you don't know, it's one of my favorite stores to get quality food at great prices. So I've already got my grocery list, and I would definitely suggest to always make your grocery list before you head off to the store. And I also have already planned out what me and the boys are going to eat for the week. So we are going to head in. It is a rainy day today, but we're going to get it done.
So I love the fact that the store is super quiet today and Aldi's has the best deals on their produce and their vegetables. So I am headed over to find my favorite snack, which is my blackberries. And they are on sale for $1.89. So I always try to load up when they're on sale. We love blackberries. Okay, so let's check out what's in my cart so far: grapes, blackberries, and cage free eggs. I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of all the different kinds of produce that Aldi's has. I was here to pick up zucchini and my squash at an amazing deal. And the next stop is my protein. Aldi's has an amazing selection of various types of protein. And of course, my favorite protein source is grilled chicken thighs and chicken breast. So, Aldi's had their broccoli on sale for 95 cents, so I had to grab some. Okay, so I think we are just about done with this shopping trip. Take a look at what I have in my cart so far, and I want to tell you what the final total is, which is why I love Aldi's so much. So shouts out to Aldi's because they had a lot of great deals today. I only spent 58 bucks. So that's pretty freaking fantastic. And there you have it, guys. Aldi's is my favorite store. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and a thumbs up for more weekly shopping hauls.